the speed of light does not merely transform the world. It becomes the world. Globalization is the speed of light. And in the next millennium, globalization will explode into the far reaches of our galaxy. Closer home, this is the guiding force of one of India's fastest growing industrial houses. The Essar Group. Along with a team of entrepreneurial managers, Shashi and Ravi Rugia have led the Essar Group to the forefront of India's new global vision. With interests spanning the manufacturing and service sectors in both old and new economies. Steel. Oil and gas. Power. Telecom and Aegis BPO. Shipping and logistics. And construction. Asset base is $6 billion and a turnover of over $2.2 billion. Estimated to go up to $5 billion in the next 2 years and up to $10 billion in the next 3 years. To realize this vision of creating a global organization of tomorrow, we're seeking business leaders of tomorrow. With Essar's Business Leadership Program. A program designed to identify and groom potential leaders at Essar. Right from the entry level, we draw career maps for each Essarite, outlining possible alternate career paths, which could include planned job rotations between functions, group companies, and geographies.
The most exciting thing about working for a company like Essar is the complete freedom an individual gets to do his job. In my last 11 years in this organization, I've been able to take on new challenges, new responsibilities. In the process, I've been able to enhance my capabilities as an individual and as a professional. In Essar, we are always driven by the concept of go for gold. We try and achieve excellence in all our professional spheres. We are always trained and tutored to keep the customer at the center of all our business practices. We try and structure our activities in a way so as to eventually prove beneficial to the client and his business.
I joined Essar in the summer of 2002. I had an impression that family-run businesses confine decision making to the upper echelons, just to the promoter director level or the owners, entrepreneurs level. At Essar, with 4 years of experience, I have seen this equation change. I have seen entrepreneur spirit mix with professional decision making and drive its way down to various levels in the organization. Across the sectors that we are present, our businesses integrate seamlessly. This enables employees to move laterally across functions, across businesses, offering them a richer career experience, a work experience. To you today, I stand testimony to that fact.
I've been a part of SR Global for 4 months now as a part of the mergers and acquisitions team. Working in SR Global is good exposure because you get to work across the various businesses of SR. The atmosphere is informal. You can go to your boss anytime and you can ask him for clarity on certain issues. You can ask him your doubts, and more often than not, he'll find time to help you out.
I had joined SR as a management trainee in the telecom division, and today I am a part of SR Telecom Retail. We are close to 100 people working feverishly to set up SR's first retail venture. We are all from different retail backgrounds, but we work towards our common goal. I am in the business of tomorrow and we are all very excited.
Selected candidates then go through a comprehensive induction program which includes classroom sessions, an introduction to all the group companies, plans and corporate functions, along with a 6-day executive leadership camp at the SR Learning Center. Those with a proven track record and potential of high performance are identified through a fast-track program evaluated by the SR Leadership Competencies Linked Assessment Centers. These achievers are rewarded with high-impact roles and rigorous development programs. And finally, the SR vision for the global organization of tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Adil Malia and I'm the Group President Human Resources for the SR Group. We call this program the Business Leadership Program, and in our journey to become a nurturing, prosperous, global enterprise with family values, we are looking out not only for highly successful professionals with experiences to be on our team, but we are simultaneously also trying to groom new talent through several cadre building programs like this one. What we will do in this program is provide you with a platform which gives you sufficient business perspective and provide you with also an opportunity to learn. What in return we expect from you is for you to show your entrepreneurship and your appetite for growth along with desire to learn. We are looking out for global leaders to mend the global SR of tomorrow. Our goal is to become the top 5 in each of our businesses and enter new businesses with stronger customer and consumer focus. Of course, we are also exploring several new geographies in the world that we want to enter in, and I'm sure that will provide people with sufficient opportunity to take international experiences as they go around doing the assignments with us.